Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So this is your channel you come to if you don't want to hear sales pitches or somebody telling you to buy something. Today we're going to talk about the putting green and we're going to talk about the chipping green. I want to show you this little tool right here that you can buy at any big box store, and that's an aeration tool. It will pull plugs out of your lawn. The thing about this is that you have to have good soil. If you've got hard clay, you're not going to pull anything out using a tool like this. This putting green, over the years, I've added a lot of soil amendments and sand to this. I've had it aerated several times and I've done manual aeration on it, so it is easy to sink the tines of that tool all the way into the soil. Now, right now, the end of that is clogged up, and those tools do have a habit of clogging up. On this soil, or on this surface, I don't want to pull plugs out. I want a solid tine going down into the ground because it is a putting green. And so I was fine with that today. What you can do is you can take a little cooking oil or spray and you can put it on the inside of those tines, and that may help alleviate some of that clogging that could happen with the tool. Now over here we have the chipping green. If you guys don't know or don't follow my channel, I've never really done much with this area. Last year towards the end of the season, I decided I was going to try to turn it into a chipping green. And so I started cutting it multiple times a week, double cutting it. I came in and I leveled it a lot with sand. I tried to use that tool over there on it, and man, you can't even get a quarter of the way down with the tines on it, just because this is so compacted. Over the years, this has got a slope to it, and over the years, rainwater has poured down through here and stripped off the topsoil and anything in between, and left just a hard, compacted Georgia red clay surface. So what I'm probably going to do is get my power corded drill. Battery would wear it out quick, but my corded drill with a large bit, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to aerate this with those numerous times this season, and then I'm going to backfill with sand and soil, and that will give me a pretty good consistency down below the surface that I'll be able to manage a lot better using an aeration time like that. Now, so that's that right there. That's how that's looking. And then we come back over here to the putting green. And as the season changes here, we're not really getting the warm weather right now. This is mid-April. But as the season changes, the sun's going to change positions, and this is going to be in a lot of sun during the days. And so you're going to get a lot more green up in this surface. I've come through here already and verticut this. Put fertilizer on it at 2704 a couple times. The lawn itself over here, it's waiting for the warmer weather and warmer nights to really green up, but that's what it's looking like right now. And it's feeling in pretty good, but it's not that green color that we all want in our lawns. Kind of a lime green right now just because we don't have the heat. But that's what's happening right now for mid-April. That's all I got for you. Bermuda Brian, out.